Hello and welcome to Samurai Day Trading Trade of the Day. Fred here, going to run through the trade with you on this 19th day of November 2025. We just got done with the U.S. closed live trading room, and this is a trade taken in the room by myself and others. And here we go. The setup is our normal thing. We had a big move down. We get the first strong candle as identified by our strong candle indicator going back the other way. And we're going to wait for the retrace here, put our order on the body of the candle, and then take it probably back up to this brick wall up here, about 80 ticks or so. I'm expecting the next candles. The volume has been amazing, anywhere between 100 and 200 ticks. So we're going to use a 20, 40, and 80 ATM. We'll de-risk the trade after 20s and then see how we can catch our runners. So here we go. This is how it went down in the LTR today. I'm going to buy. I need this to come back and retrace a little bit first before we do that. So we don't want to get caught in that yet. All right, usually I wait for this to come back. Here we go. We always need a retrace on this first. If it just runs off, then that's just the way it goes. Here we go. All right. All right. So we put our stop where it belongs. And then we just wait and see what happens. We'll go ahead and speed it up a little bit. Watch the stop. You'll see that it gets automatically into a break-even position after our first um, target's hit. So you went from all the way down here, all the way back up. Now, if the market comes back and takes me out there, I have to decide whether I want to re-enter or not. So we got to get another trade ready. But see how we had that little area we give the market to run around? A lot of times it won't take us out. But let's get ready just in case it does. It does. So now we need to re-enter if we want to. Don't have to. Pick this. Oh, wow, the first targets got hit right away. Again, we'll do the same thing over again. So get another trade ready. If it comes out and takes us out at break even, we'll see if we want to re-enter again. So 20s are out, 40s are up here, and then you have 80s all the way at the top. I thought we only did this once. We may have had to re-enter twice, but we'll see how it goes. Let's speed it up a little bit. Oh, there we go. I don't want to speed up too much. Put another order on. I can't really speed it up until we get picked up in the trade. We've been picked up twice now. Now it looks like we got a stair step against us, and it does look pretty short. But this is a really strong signal. There's Fibonacci reasons why this failed where it did. So we have to go with that. But you'll see how our ATM really helped us there. We get our first targets. If we don't get our second ones, we take a break-even trade. And we'll just keep hitting it until we get at least our second target hit there. There we go. Again, stop goes to where it belongs. Now we can speed it up. All right, first target out again. We'll get to the end. Second target's out. We'll leave our stop where it is. And there's our 80 tick target. It's not going to get hit in this candle, so we need to wait for the next candle to come up. Next candle takes us out. That whole trade took a little over 5 minutes to complete and was worth 885 US dollars. So if you want to learn how to make 885 US dollars in a little more than 5 minutes, come and join us at SamuraiDayTrading.com. SamuraiDayTrading.com. It's the only place you can find the strong candle indicator. And we have a whole courses and everything else, and pretty fun people to work with. And let us help you make you profitable in the trading game. So that's SamuraiDayTrading.com. And until next time, God bless you, and we'll see you then.